Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Broan Range Hood Filters is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a clean and healthy kitchen environment, ensuring that your cooking experience remains free from unwanted smoke, grease, and odors, thereby enhancing both the air quality and the longevity of your range hood. Number 5. Air Filter Factory Range Hood Combo Filter. This filter is engineered as a precise replacement for your existing Broan Newtone range hood filter. It's designed to fit a wide variety of models, ensuring a secure, tool-free installation. With exact dimensions of 8:3:4 x 10:1:2, this filter slides seamlessly into your range hood. No tools are needed for a snug, rattle-free fit. This premium combo filter features a grease mesh and a charcoal backing. It actively traps cooking oils and absorbs smoke and odors before recirculating air. Proudly manufactured in the United States using high-quality domestic materials. It's shipped in reinforced packaging to arrive flat and ready for use. For optimal air quality, simply remove and replace this filter every 6 to 9 months. This ensures your exhaust fan runs efficiently. To guarantee compatibility, please remove your current filter and locate the model tag inside your hood. Measure your current filter's thickness to ensure a snug fit. What we like. This filter offers dual-action odor and grease control, perfect for ductless hoods. Its USA-made construction ensures quality and durability. If you're looking for a filter that tackles both smoke and grease effectively while being built to last, this is a solid choice. What people say. It fits perfectly and looks great. The filter is very effective at capturing grease and odors. Easy to install and maintain. Number 4. Cenipar 97007696 Charcoal Odor Filter, 2-pack. Tired of lingering cooking odors? Our advanced filters capture tiny oil droplets and odors, ensuring your kitchen air stays clean and fresh. Featuring a unique double-layer design with activated carbon, these filters provide superior odor absorption for a more pleasant cooking experience. Replace your filters every 6 months for optimal performance. This 2-pack provides a full year of fresh air, with easy removal and installation. By improving filtration efficiency, these filters reduce your range hood's workload, leading to lower energy consumption and savings on your electricity bills. Designed as a perfect replacement for many models, these filters are compatible with most major brands. Check the dimensions to ensure a great fit. Enjoy a healthier and more comfortable kitchen. Reduce oil and odor buildup, and cook with confidence without worrying about persistent smells. What we like. Featuring double filtration with aluminum mesh and activated carbon, this filter ensures fresh kitchen air. It's also designed to be energy-saving for your range hood. If you want a cost-effective solution that provides excellent odor and grease capture, consider this 2-pack option for a year's supply. What people say. The filter is designed to capture grease effectively, keeping the air cleaner. It fits perfectly into the range hood, ensuring optimal performance. The durable construction means it can withstand regular use and cleaning. Number 3. AMI Parts BPS1 FA30 Aluminum Range Hood Filter. Introducing the AMI Parts BPS1 FA30 Aluminum Filter, designed for optimal performance in your kitchen. This filter effectively captures grease, ensuring cleaner air. Each package contains 2 high-quality aluminum filters. This ensures you always have a spare on hand for convenient replacement. This filter is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including BPS1 FA30 and others. It's designed for a perfect fit with compatible range hoods. Specifically designed to fit Newtone Allure range hoods and 5260-30 series models. Enjoy a seamless installation and efficient operation. No tools are needed for installation. Simply remove your old filter and insert the new one for immediate use. This aluminum mesh filter is washable and reusable. Regular cleaning with hot water and a degreasing solvent will extend its life and maintain performance. Its layered aluminum construction effectively removes grease from the air. Keep your kitchen smelling fresh and your air clean with this essential accessory. What we like. This is a washable aluminum mesh filter designed for specific Broan Newtone models. Its multi-layer foil pad effectively removes grease. If you prefer a filter you can clean and reuse, and you're looking for a simple, tool-free installation for your compatible range hood, this filter is a great option. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for my Broan Range hood, ensuring efficient ventilation. Easy to install and effectively captures grease, keeping my kitchen air clean. Durable construction and good airflow, making it a reliable replacement part. Number 2. AMI Parts 2-Pack Range Hood Filter 97006931. Introducing a 2-pack of premium range hood filters designed to keep your kitchen air fresh and clean. These are compatible with Broan and NuTone models. These filters are designed for a perfect fit, measuring 10 to 12 x 8 to 34 inches. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools for a quick and easy swap. Our filters feature multiple layers of aluminum mesh to effectively capture grease and impurities from your cooking air. They are suitable for both duct and ductless range hoods. Keep your filters working optimally with simple regular cleaning. Just use hot water and a degreasing solvent to maintain their efficiency and prolong their lifespan. These are direct replacements for several part numbers, including BP29, S97006931, 88150, and 9901021, ensuring a seamless upgrade. We stand behind the quality of our filters. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please reach out to us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This washable aluminum filter features multiple layers of aluminum foil to capture grease effectively. It's designed for easy installation and regular cleaning. If you have a Broan NuTone range hood and prefer the convenience of a washable filter that comes in a convenient 2-pack, this is a practical choice for maintaining air quality. What people say. The Broan NuTone BP 5000 series filters are designed to fit Broan NuTone BP 5000 series range hoods. These filters are made of aluminum mesh, which is durable and easy to clean. The filters are designed to capture grease and other airborne particles, helping to keep your kitchen air clean. Number 1. AMI Parts 990103116 Range Hood Grease Filter 2-Pack. Introducing the AMI Parts 990103116 Range Hood Grease Filter, designed to keep your kitchen air clean. This pack includes 2 high-quality filters. These filters are designed as a direct replacement for several part numbers, including S990103116, WA65AF, and NTK 7450000. Ensure a perfect fit for your range hood. Measuring 1114x1134x38, these filters are precisely sized to fit most standard range hoods and microwave ovens. Featuring an aluminum mesh design with an integrated foil pad, it effectively captures grease from the air. This washable filter is suitable for both duct and ductless systems. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. Simply peel off the protective film before use. Regular cleaning with hot water and a degreasing solvent will ensure optimal performance and longevity. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please contact us for a prompt and satisfactory solution. What we like. This washable aluminum mesh filter is designed for larger range hoods, with dimensions of 1114x1134. It effectively captures grease and is easy to clean. If you have a compatible Broan NuTone or Kenmore range hood that requires this specific larger size and you prefer a reusable, washable filter, this 2-pack is a suitable choice. What people say. The Broan Range Hood filters are designed to effectively capture grease and other airborne particles, keeping your kitchen air cleaner. These filters feature a durable construction that ensures long-lasting performance and easy installation, making maintenance a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.